Hi everyone, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we'll be going over the virtual assistants update. So now you can add virtual assistants in your account so they don't see things like profit, and we'll dive deep into that. So just want to say our developers are working really hard to get these updates out for you guys. So go ahead and smash the like button, share the video. If you want to be an affiliate, send us a message. We can give you an affiliate link. So go ahead and do that. It really helps the software out. We're trying our best to become the best Facebook marketplace software. So let's just jump right into the virtual assistants. So the thing you want to do once you log in is you'll automatically see the virtual assistants tab. The way you add virtual assistants is you press the plus button and then you add a random name. So I guess I'll just name my virtual assistant John Doe, and I'll give it that email and I'll give them a password. And as soon as you're done that, you will be directed to this page right here. This page has the products, create, edit, and delete. It has all these tabs, right? So do you want your VA to be able to access the products tab? Sure. Do you want them to access the sellers tab? Sure. And do you want them to access orders? Sure, right? And do you want them to create? Do you want them to have the ability to create any of these? I don't know if I want my VA to have that, but I'll give them edit, and I won't give them delete for now. And I'll give them the ability to export also. And let's just say for demonstration purposes, we'll give the ability for our VA to see the profit on each item, right? So let's just press save, and here's our VA. So the way you log into a VA account is just go on another computer and just log in just like normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and log into the VA account. And the VA, the first screen they will see is this, right? So they don't see the VA accounts area. All they see is this. And all you have to do is click resend verification. And the VA will get a verification link in their inbox. So I'm just waiting on a new one from Fbmfox. There we go. We've got the new one. And there we go. So now the VA is logged in and they can see the products, but they can't delete them and they can't create any products. They can also see the sellers, but they can't delete them. They can't create any sellers. They can only edit them. And lastly, here's the orders, and they can see the profit on each order, and they can also edit them. So this order doesn't have the supplier cost inputted, but this one does, and this profit was $8. This one was $13. They can also click on view on Facebook and go right to Facebook. But let's change things up a bit, because not all the time do you want your VA to see your profit, right? So you go back to your virtual assistants account where you're logged into your own account, and you edit, and then you take the profit function out and just press save. And next, just go back to your virtual assistants account and refresh the orders, and immediately you'll see that the orders numbers are gone. But if you edit, you can see that the VA can still input numbers, but they don't see the profit area, right? So everything's still saved, everything's still good to go, but they just can't see the profit. So yeah, this is how the virtual assistant account works. Lastly, there's one more thing. Your virtual assistant can also log into the Chrome extension. So let's just demonstrate that really quickly. I'll go ahead and log in with the VA account. Just gotta enter the password. Right, so now I'm logged in with my VA account. And let's do some research on a Sears.com seller. So you should see that the buttons pop up really quickly, and go ahead and research, quick search, and of course the research works and your VA is good to go. Your VA can also list items, so you can see all your unlisted items are here. And yeah, and also price tracking will work on their computer if it's in the US. So it works on .com computers, so you can use their computer to do price tracking also. Lastly, I'd like to demonstrate one more thing. So if I go back into the permissions for the VA and I take out the ability to see orders completely and I save, you should see that if I refresh my VA's account, orders are no longer there. And really, you could take out the ability for the VA to see anything. So let's say you fired a VA or something, you could just easily just delete them, and their account will immediately turn off, right? So it no longer works, and if you go in the research, it no longer does the research either. So that is basically it for our virtual assistants update. Please go ahead and share, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more updates. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.